Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to hide this pattern line when you unlock your AGM H6. So just open settings, scroll down and down again, and press this button here to open settings. In settings, look for the security menu. It's right here. And near a screen lock you can see this gear here. Press on it, and this is the option we're looking for. Toggle it off, and let's test again. As you can see, the pattern line is totally invisible. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.